Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share some cards that I made. This weekend, that's all I made were cards. And I had a lot of fun. Last night and today I created using the pastel colors or the pinks and all that. And I really enjoyed creating with these. And so I already shared a video that I did on the other collection that Janet Kay sent me. And so I have this one here, SugarPlums, and I have the stickers as well to go with it. And I'm going to show you what I created. Now, I still have a lot left. I was making gift bags with these as well, so with the bigger sheets in here, but I'll share those with you later on. All right, so here's the first card that I made, and that is that one. I'm really loving the background piece with the gold foil. Like, I think I've done that with all the pastels. I just absolutely love it, and it just makes it, you know, stand right out. So that's that one. Then I created this one here, super adorable. And I really loved using the fa la la in the center, but and then that's what I did on the inside. I just stamped it, and then I put some hollies there, and I used my Dollarama paint pens here. And let me tell you, these work amazing. If you can get these paint pens, I highly recommend them. They actually work really, really well. So I'm going to go get some more. So I made that one. Love it. And we have this one. So pretty. I just love this collection, and I love the colors. There's another. So that one's basically the same as that one. These are for my daughter. She wanted me to make her some. And then this one, and I used the stickers from the sticker book. This one as well. And this was from the sticker book, and I just placed it on top of the foil and cut from there. Very pretty. So this one on the inside, I did a little different, had that saying, and then I did the holly on each corner. Super adorable. And then that one there. I love this one. It looks like it's got a little belly band on it. Looks so delicious with the background cookies. That one. And my last one is this one here. I'm sure my daughter is going to love these. I showed her a little picture, and she said they were beautiful. So she said, I wanted these ones. And I have the other ones that I shared with you already that I'm giving her. So yeah, so that's what I've been busy doing. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.